I will hand it over to Mo.
Cool. Thanks a lot, Keva. Hey, good afternoon, everyone. This is Mo Chen from Cloud Team, 3 years with Anika. In this PI, we made some great updates on our corporate website. We introduced some common modules which allowed us to quickly apply change to multiple pages at the same time. We also improved styling compatibility for mobile devices. Besides, also started seeing some change requests from the business team. In order to get ready and deploy those updates quickly and automatically, we build pipelines. So we have the code change and peer review in the feature branch, push it into an internal test site to get the feedback and automatically trigger the other pipeline for production. So in this workflow, test and production environments are built separately and deployed with different packages. On the next slide,
so guys, we are running quickly out of time. We have 5 minutes left. Point is, we preparing to quickly deploy updates to the website that we anticipate happening in the next few months. But let's quickly jump to Rapid, and I want to have a chance for Samantha to introduce our new Corp team.
Yeah, sure. So this is the coding challenge we just mentioned for USCIS. As Kevin mentioned, we are leading this effort and working with several partners. So we're expected to provide a fully functional case management system, but only given a single sprint to complete the entire development cycle, including system design, application coding, infrastructure, and testing and documentation. And thanks to FCF and cloud automation, we can deploy the base infrastructure and pipeline on day one, which allow us to start developing the application and automate the testing from day two. We have a great team with different roles, including solution architect, DevOps, developers, DBA, UI designer, and tester coming from multiple companies. So we are not only trying to fulfill the requirement of the customer to win this business opportunity, but also we build some reusable components for future. So whenever we have a similar opportunity with the needs of DevSecOps pipeline, infrastructure as code, test-driven development workflow, we can quickly deploy to our vital internal lab and make it up and running immediately. In the next slide, it showed our application UI. So this front end is our lightweight developed in React, and we try to make it reusable and to fit the dynamic need. And if you switch to the next slide, you can see like how that interact with the backend services, so which consists of 3 independent API microservices with connection to a database, authentication endpoint, the external API from USPS. We do not have the actual prompt from a customer yet, and all the applications are built based on our assumption. However, our architecture is flexible to support implementation refactor as needed. So if one microservices is redesigned, it won't impact the rest of the system. We can just quickly address the customer's last minute request safely. And let me pass it over to Raza to talk about more about our infrastructure and pipeline. Thank you.